I'm Reina.
I'm Raya.
I'm Lovely, and this is
RRL. Reactions revealed logically.
First Station. Invisible soda. The things you will need are Coke or soda, fresh milk, an empty plastic bottle, and cardboard for the makeshift funnel. This experiment is a very simple and easy one. The first thing you need to do is roll the cardboard like this and then put it in the mouth of the bottle. And the next, you have to combine both liquids. First, put the Coke, add the milk. Close the bottle tightly and let's see what will happen if we put this aside for 2 hours or more.
Here I am waiting.
The separation happens because of a reaction between phosphoric acid and milk. Phosphoric acid molecules attach to the molecules of milk, increasing the density and separating them from the rest of the liquid. The remaining liquids, having less density than the phosphoric acid and milk molecules, floats on top. And that explains the mystery between the Coke and milk experiment.
It's called toothpick torpedo. The things you will need are a container filled with water. Do not fill it up. A toothpick and some shampoo. The first thing you're going to do is to dip a little bit of shampoo in the toothpick and halfway only. Afterwards, just dip it in the water and let's see what will happen. It speeds up. Let's reveal the reaction behind that. Shampoo contains agents that reduce the surface tension of liquids. As the shampoo on the end of the toothpick dissolves, it reduces the water's surface tension around it, then releasing the water's hold on the end of the toothpick. The water around the other end of the toothpick still has surface tension. So, it pulls the toothpick in that direction of the sharper end. And that explains the toothpick torpedo.
Station 3. Magic mug. For this experiment, you'll need a big container, tonic water with quinine, cornstarch, and then black light. Pour the cornstarch into the big container. Then, add a little tonic water. As you mix it, you will note it pulls thoroughly.
As you can see also, it's very hard to mix. Let's check it under the black light.
As you can see, the mixture you did is glowing.
It's slowly sucking your finger in like a liquid, but when you touch it, it's more of a solid.
As you can see, the water is glowing. This is because of the quinine content included in this tonic water that will make our magic mud glow. All fluids have a property known as viscosity that describes how the fluid flows, commonly thought of as how thick or thin a fluid is. Oobleck is an example of a fluid whose viscosity is not constant. It changes depending on the stress or forces applied to it. If you poke it with your finger and apply a large force, it becomes very viscous and stays in place. If you gently pour it, applying little force, it will flow like water. This kind of fluid is called a dilatant material or a shear thickening fluid. It becomes more viscous when agitated or compressed. When sitting still, the granules of starch are surrounded by water. The surface tension of the water keeps it from completely flowing out of the spaces between the granules. The cushion of water provides quite a bit of lubrication and allows the granules to move freely.